Hey, how's it going, my friends? Today we are going over this keyboard stand with a wrist rest. It is a acrylic tilted keyboard rest here for your hands and stuff. And the packaging is actually really cool. It opens up on both ends here, and you just simply open one end, and it just slides right out. And that is it. Very minimalistic setup and everything. So here I have the foam padding for where your wrist goes, and then here's the actual slanted keyboard stand part of it. Right. Probably just take this out of here like that. All right, there we go. Slide this right out. And here it is. It doesn't seem to pick up any fingerprints at all, which is really nice. It has these little foam pieces on the bottom of it to keep it from slipping, so like anti-slip pads. And in a second, I'm just going to switch over and show you what it kind of looks like with the keyboard tilted up on it. Really quickly also, I want to go over the quality and like build of this foam mesh here for your wrist. It is really nice quality. It seems to be very breathable, so if you do get sweaty, it's not going to be a problem on the foam pad here. Alright, but I'm going to now switch over to the setup. Alright, so in order just to set this up, the very bottom of the acrylic here, you see this little white line here, is going to go in the indent of the cardboard or the foam tilt, and it just slides over like that. Really nice, and it's actually surprisingly really comfortable. Very nice, and like able for my wrist to type very easily, because with this keyboard it does slant up a little, but this doesn't provide really any support. So this one's actually really nice in long, because this is a really long keyboard, because we have the bigger keycaps and everything. But overall, really nice setup for everything. Feels really nice and breathable mesh. But yeah, a really nice tilted acrylic keyboard stand. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.